In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to generate auto captions in DaVinci Resolve completely for free. Now there is no inbuilt option to generate captions in DaVinci Resolve free version, but you can do a workaround which is very easy. For that, firstly do all the croppings and editing you want to do on your project, and then we need to render all of these footages here. For that we need to go to the Deliver tab, choose the preset you want to use for exporting your video. I'm just gonna go for YouTube. Then choose the file name and location. So I want to save it on my desktop, so just select desktop from here and hit save and render your video footage here. As you know, DaVinci Resolve won't allow us to generate auto caption in the free version, so what we can do is we can use a third-party application to generate our captions, and then we can import that SRT file into our DaVinci Resolve project, and we can customize all the things into DaVinci Resolve free version. The software I'll be using is Microsoft Clipchamp. You can find the application in the start menu. Just search for Microsoft Clipchamp and you'll find that application here. In case this software isn't available on your device, then you can download it from the browser. Just search for Microsoft Clipchamp and download the software from here. Alternatively, you can download this software from Microsoft Store. Once you download and install it, open the software and click on create a new video, and then it will start a new project here. Click on import media and select the video file which we just exported from DaVinci Resolve. I saved it on my desktop. I need to select it and now select the video file and click on open. And now once the file is imported here, we just need to drag and drop it onto the Clipchamp timeline like this. Then go to the right hand panel and here you will see an option of captions. We need to click on it and then you will see this caption interface. Here click on try now. Now it is completely free. You can generate as many captions you want. So here we need to choose the language and click on transcribe media, and then it will start generating captions in Clipchamp. And within a fraction of seconds your captions will be generated. And now to preview it, we need to click on this play icon and then it will show you the preview. For the first method, open file manager in your computer and drag and as you saw, the captions and the audio clip is now synchronized. Now we need to download this SRT file. For that, go to the captions again and under it you will see this option of download captions SRT. We need to click on it and then the SRT file will be downloaded on your computer. Now what we need to do is just open this file onto your file explorer and drag and drop this file onto your DaVinci Resolve project like this, and you can see a new subtitle track has been added here. We just have to place this onto the start of our clip like this. And now if I preview my clip here, for the first method, open file manager in your computer and drag and drop the image. You can see the subtitles are now synchronized on my DaVinci Resolve project as well. Now if you want to customize them, then just select all of your subtitles like this, then open the inspector panel and under it you can see all the captions we have inserted on our timeline. And if you want to customize them, then just go to the track section, choose the color. So I want to go for this yellow one and I want to have a background. So for that I'll just enable it from here. You can choose the outline width, corner radius and all of that stuff from here. I want to change the font, so for that I just need to select the font from here and then choose the size. So I want to make it like this and then choose the position as well. Now if I preview my clip here, for the first method, open file manager in your computer and drag and drop the image on your frame where you want to. You can see the customizations has been successfully done on the DaVinci Resolve free version, and I have auto generated the captions using Clipchamp. So this is the workaround you can follow for generating captions in DaVinci Resolve. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.